Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this AUX pin to Google TV streamer device, both TRRS and TRS AUX pins. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. We need a USB sound card like this. Let me connect this AUX pin from the wired headphone to this sound card. Done. Let me connect this sound card to this USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is a setup. Using this USB sound card, we can connect this AUX pin to Google TV streamer. After this, you can play some video or audio. That should work. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.